Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on third Koniago channel. Today in this video I will show you basic Solidworks tutorial, and today I will show you how to use boundary boss. But before we start, let's take a look at this first. Hello everyone, if you're interested to make a machine like this for your own project, this digital product is suitable for you. Just go to third Koniago bio, click this and click the next link. You can buy a machine concept or 3D part standard or ebook. So what are you waiting for? Buy it now. Go to boundary boss. Now you have a parameter. Click this sketch and this sketch. You can do like this. See? See? Whatever point you click, you can do like this. But in lofted boss, you can do like this. Active lofted boss. Click the sketch and the sketch. See? You cannot do like a boundary boss. Just the point to point like this. See? That is the difference of boundary boss and lofted boss. Now go to boundary boss again. Click all sketch. See? Now you can change the direction like this. See? And you can do like this. See? And click OK. Now you make a part like this. I think that is the end tutorial. I hope you like and can learn Solidworks using my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See ya.